Why you so mad for? You got me though, man. That was a good one, Rick Nasty. Shout out to everyone, man. Cause I shook the game, but them other niggas got me up the game. Yeah, I shook the game. Yeah, I shook the game, but their favorite rappers saying my name. Say my name. Cause I shook the game, but them other niggas got the other game. Yeah, the other game. Yeah, I shook the game, but their favorite rappers saying my name. Saying my name. Y'all mad? You gotta get strapped just for a diss track, but just try to prove that you're bad. I'm on my task going in, man. These rappers when they claim to be the next, cause I'm straight west. I'm a threat to these rappers who wanna be the best. 1, 2, my chat, I brought us so much mess. Got these rappers so soaked up in stress. You know the fan knows their favorite rapper just got raped by the youngin' from the west. Youngin' from the west. They need Jesus in their life. God bless to the child who dare to step up to the mic. Cause it's all love, but they believe in the hype. Like I really gone snipe down a nigga for a shine for my selfish pride. Man, fuck that, I just wanna do it. Showing y'all the young brother like me was influence. Down with the music, pushing movement, but y'all said I couldn't do it. Speaking fluent, still a student to this game, so I still improving. Cause I shook the game, but them other niggas got the other game. Yeah, I shook the game. Yeah, I shook the game, but their favorite rappers saying my name. Say my name. Cause I shook the game, but them other niggas got the other game. Yeah, the other game. Yeah, I shook the game, but their favorite rappers saying my name. Saying my name. Nowadays we ain't got a gang bang. We ain't gotta be a blood, but we're cuz to hang. Cause the OGs from the hood know we need a change, so they told us to maintain. It's all about the money, man. If you wanna bang on me, I ain't the one. I just wanna show love, but you can go ahead and get you some. Cause I ain't no bitch, we could all go dumb. Play with these guns, be dead with locked up, where we can all have fun. See, I'm positive, y'all talk a lot of shit, like y'all really gon' do something when y'all see me, who you fooling? I love my Hmong people, man, regardless the love or the hate. I be on my own, live and learn and concentrate. I don't expect nothing for y'all, just a little attention. And maybe listen when I speak my mind, how this world is wicked. Y'all say my flow is whack, but I'm killing you with this broken English. Got you up in the studio, stressed out, try to diss me. Cause I shook the game, but them other niggas got the other game. Yeah, I shook the game. Yeah, I shook the game, but their favorite rappers saying my name. Say my name. Cause I shook the game, but them other niggas got the other game. Yeah, the other game. Yeah, I shook the game, but their favorite rappers saying my name. Saying my name. This shit is funny though, man, but keep the response coming though. Need some competition in this shit. Shout out to everyone that's doing it. Sacktown, Midwest, North Carolina, Fresno, LA, whatever it is, man. Keep doing it. Everyone's doing good, man. Y'all inspire me, man.